Hi traders, Bharat here. Welcome to my channel Trade with Bharat. So in this video, we'll have three sections. First one is analyzing what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. Second one is reviewing calls shared in Telegram channel. Third one is overview of shortlisted stock for next trading session. So let's start with Nifty. So yesterday Nifty closed at 11,307 and Nifty opened at today 11,341. So initially 34 points gap was created. And based on this, we could say that it was a gap up start. And also I had posted in Twitter that Nifty will be a flat market. And either buyers or the seller should have the trigger the move. And also the third point had stated that buyers have slight upper hand, like they could push the market higher. So if you see first 1 hour, Nifty started trading in a range, then later on it broke out. The highs of Nifty is 11,468 and low is 11,331. A range of 137 points was created. So here most of the time the buyers are having the control. Only when here, when the buyers got exhausted, the sellers came in and they pushed the market to the lower side. So buyers again came in and they pushed the market on the higher side and they closed the market at day's high. So overall, looking at the structure, we can conclude that buyers are having confidence and it will be helpful for tomorrow's trade. So what is the level that we should monitor tomorrow is 11,470. And at the downside, it will be weaker if it crosses below 360, 11,360. Okay, so let's move on to Bank Nifty. Yesterday, Bank Nifty closed at 22,337 and it opened today at 22,485. Initially a 148 points gap start happened. And based on this open price, we could conclude saying that it would be kind of on a flat market, but buyers had an upper hand. So initially also, sellers tried, they tried to take control of the market, but later buyers came in and they pushed the market on the higher side. But buyers did not do a decent job. Sellers took the control and they pushed our market very much slower. So here you could say like kind of consolidation, slightly on a bullish side. So based on the overall structure of today, we can say that buyers are having slight upper hand. Maybe in the scale of 1 to 10, we can say 3. And what we can expect tomorrow is like if Bank Nifty starts trading above 22,650 level, this level. So you can see some buying coming in. If not, like if Nifty starts trading below 22,300, then you can see sellers coming in and pushing the market down. Okay, let's move on to like stocks which I had shortlisted to trade today. First one is I'll go with Asian Paints. Asian Paint call was to buy at 1,991 and stop loss was 1,985, a risk of 6 points. And end of the day, like if you see 24 points was the gain. And HDFC also, HDFC Life, that is the call was to initiate at 590.1, somewhere here. So once the call was initiated, you can see this particular candle came pretty close to SL. So it was 588.05, but the SL was 588. So it just missed by 1 tick. And then later it started moving higher. So again, this was a decent call. It gave a return of 6 points. And Biocon did not do well much. The call was to buy somewhere around here. And it went up, but unfortunately it got exhausted and it came down and SL was hit. So the overall, if you see around 4.6% profit alone today, that is, this will be a gross profit. I have not calculated any brokerage. So it's a very decent return. Once in a week, if you can get this, it's more than enough. Like even if you get 3 weeks in a 1 month, so it will be roughly close to 12 to 15%. which is better than your FD or your mutual funds return. Okay. So next is like I need to discuss on the shortlisted stocks for next trading session. For that, I have shortlisted 3 stocks. First one is HCL Tech. The reason is even though the market was volatile today, made like moved up then down. This particular stock did not move much, and it started trading in a narrow range. So hence I've shortlisted the stock. Once it starts moving above somewhere here, whoever have sold here, they'll start covering and it can go up. Or here, like it will become weak and it can go down further. Okay. Next I've shortlisted as Wipro. I think at the end of the day, bias to control, though I know a lot of selling happened here. So expecting the market to do well above this particular point. So a lot of sellers were there, like here from the beginning of the day, but everything was absorbed by the buying and it went up. Next stock which I've shortlisted is L&T. Again, this particular stock is today traded in a range. Buyers and sellers both are present. Anything below this, sell can trigger. Whoever bought in the higher, like they'll be closing. Whoever bought here, they'll start closing the position and they'll just push the stock much lower. And whoever have sold somewhere in the lower part of the day, once the stock starts moving above this level, they'll start to cover and this will push the stock much on the higher side. Okay. So, but the overall looks like, buyers had controlled the market today, and tomorrow also we can expect slight bullishness. So sellers might cover up their position once it starts moving over here. Okay. So that's it from my side. Thank you for watching. Hit like if you like this video, share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe for daily analysis. Thank you. Bye-bye.